Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve WeChat, how to solve or how to fix WeChat bug problem. To know how to fix or how to solve WeChat bug, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page, you will enter to the window of WeChat and we click. Here in this list of app and for you, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on. Then you can wait 3 seconds and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.